Hi, everyone. So this is Sarah. I'm going to just very quickly talk you through how to get a basic Zoom account. So just Google Zoom and you'll go to the Zoom main page and then you sign up. It's free. So just sign up for a free version. That's all you really need. Once you do that, you should have an icon on your desktop that looks like this, that's Zoom, and you will log in and have your sign in for the Zoom. And then you come in here and you're going to schedule a new meeting. So you could pick whatever day you want. So let's say Friday the 13th, and I wanted to have a meeting at 2 o'clock. And if you have the basic, it's 40 minutes max. If you have over 3 people, so you'll just keep it as the default. When you come down here, do not require a password. That's the last thing your students need. Put the video on for both you and participants. Have the audio be both telephone and computer audio. I don't use a calendar. You can connect it to your Outlook if you want to, but if we just stay here, we could just say other calendars. And then I'm going to click on schedule. It's going to come up with the meeting invite for me. I'm going to do a copy. So I will come back here and let's say I'm going to go to a class because I want to set up the Zoom meeting with my class. I'll create an announcement and I will say Zoom meeting Friday at 1 or whatever it happens to be, and I'll say for students. And then I'll type in my message and then I'm going to paste in the Zoom invite. Now, this part is important to make it easier for students. This section right here, this is the link that they're going to click on to get to the Zoom. All this other stuff is noise, except if they want to call in through the phone. So what I'll do is I will highlight it and copy it, and then I'll come up to the link. I'll paste it in here and have it open up in a new window, and then click on Insert. Now it's a live link, so when I click on the announcement, students only have to click here to go to the Zoom. So when they click on this, it's going to open. Now it's not the right time, but it's going to open like this, Open Zoom Meetings. And then it's going to connect in this way, join with computer audio. And down here, you will see your microphone and your video. So if I start the video, I can't start the video because my video is being used over here in Screencast-O-Matic, but if I were to, you'd see my picture here. And this is my microphone. If I have it like that, then I'm muted. The green part means that I'm not muted. If you want to share your screen with your students, this is how the best way why we use Zoom is click on Share. And then you can just pick one of these. You just want to go back to your main screen here. And so notice how here I am, I'm sharing. Your students will see this now. You can pick any tab that you have up here. So if I want to go back to the Blackboard class, I can. And now I could say go into classwork and go through some work here. So this is the basic for the Zoom. Let me know if you have any questions.